Mbunge wa Chuka ya MP Patrick Munene na akinyetie romba mbere ya mbunge akienda ntoba Chuka kurungamira babare bongo na kureka kuwetwa ya Meru. Patubite ya Chuka kuwetwa ya Meru nigutumite bakethira bayatsi bunene matunda ya thirikari ntubura kwenda baluga kenda ntoba mwira yo bagundika urakubatere. Boniface Mongera na ribotie.
Mosku moja kwethira kwina mbare kana trevo ya Chuka no jondirete kwethira kiritoa ara kirito ya nkoroki mbunge Chuka igamba ngombe bwana Patrick Munene aitete nteto jimitano na kuleta mbungene agenda kwethira kwina mbare ya Chuka na tia Meru bakuma Chuka
on chairman for
Mbunge Pato Munene agitayari na kutetera mendekithire jambere kamite bungene ne kwa mukira mendekithire mateta kumakiri mwinge na ugito wakaraji bedrito bakiumia berunguniro mbare ya Meru mono Manturi jawandika libongo game.
People say those are Merus from Chuka. So even the recognition that is a community called Chuka community, we didn't get that recognition. We are just lumped together and called those are the Merus of Chuka. And it becomes very tricky when you explain to somebody how you are Meru from Chuka.
Mere mbunge Pato Munene nishokete dhumbirwa kadharini adhomi kumachuke gamba ngombe bare bogite nkemera kana na bobe dito bagitese kamono kudhomido madatang nontonja bedro bakiari roge Chuka inde beta skuru maukune jao pakarita na kimenti.
I'll tell you, we do not have any literature that is done in the Chuka language. Now, when we try to find out about our ethnicity, there is no material.
Now that schools are learning, according to CBC, they are learning indigenous languages. You are now to have books in the Chuka tribe.
With my children who are now adults with spouses and they have children, it has been very hard to convince them to name their children into Kichuka names, because first we have not given them any identity. They do not know who they are.
Mbare ya umapemba kuma kontine kwale barabedo bengiri mo gwanja baroro kwedro bakiongero kirimbare sheja ndero ne Kenya ari okarika na mwaka jongiri 16 wa makonde kinyabo kumoroterwa kwale ibongererwe kirimbare sheja ndegurone kona tonyo tongo ikirithiri kali iboboteke kabwe gabonene wanto kwedro bena mbare shiao.
You want to take an identity card, you have to identify with another tribe. I think that's the biggest, that's why you have seen the urge. And I think as a government, we need to cure that. As a committee chair, it's not a big thing. It's just to give them an opportunity to be able to identify themselves.
As we do that for Chuka, it has to open up for all the other small tribes.
Anto Tharaka kuma kontine Tharaka Nithi bachechora kuma kirimbare ya Meru arabedo bejikine jambare wa Tharaka onto borenande achuka bena wirigiro bonene kinyoba kedro bakigita na gwitabwao nke reporter Ntoshero TV kuma ya kingina ngine kine kimusho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.